Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Ford F150, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your battery in this truck. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood, pull the latch, find the latch, move it to the left. Okay, so our battery is right here. Now for this procedure we're gonna need 8mm wrench or ratchet socket, and 10mm, or you can use 10mm wrench. Okay, so I'm gonna use these two tools. So let's start. First we're gonna do, we're gonna take our 10mm ratchet and remove, not really remove, we have to loosen this nut and this nut right here. Okay, so this one and this one, we're gonna lose them so far so we can actually wiggle the terminals, but I'll show you. Okay, once we have them loose, we can actually remove them. So you can see they became loose, so we take one off, just set it here, and another one, just take it off, just set it aside. Okay, now the battery is being held down by this bracket here. So how to remove it? We're gonna take our 8mm and just gonna go like this. So I got my 8mm, and let's loosen it. Well, I think we should actually remove it. Yeah, we have to remove it. Okay, and then we take it out like this. Okay, so we have it out now. At this moment the battery should move. Leave your tools somewhere you won't lose them, and now you can take the battery out. Okay, so once you have the battery out, you can take this cover off. Okay, just take it out, and that's it. So to get a new battery, you can either order it online or go to the parts store or the dealer, but make sure to get the same exact size and specifications. Okay, so the best way is just to go to the parts store and give them your old battery. They're gonna give you the same exact battery back. Okay, so you have to make sure the terminals and the position, everything's the same. Now when you have the new battery, and if you're gonna give them the old battery, they will give you some core charge for it, so that's a good thing. Now let's put it back in. To put it back in, same exact procedure. Just take the battery, put it in. Okay. Once the battery is in, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this thing back. Make sure you have it in the right position. Move the move the battery if necessary. Okay, now we have it in, and I'm gonna tighten this up. Okay, later. Now, after that, put terminals back on. Okay, once you have the terminals back on, you have to tighten them up. Okay guys, so look, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just tighten up this nut and this nut to make sure it's not gonna fall off, and I'm gonna tighten up this one, and that's it. That's the whole procedure. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.